to talk to you about the large AO distractor and how we put it together. It's an incredibly useful device during an operation to either achieve reduction or to help with reduction and then to hold it. We have a number of different parts that come with this, and they're always separately packed. So you can see that we start with a large threaded rod. There are these nuts that actually can fit on this threaded rod, and then there are the components that allow us to put two half pins through these pin sleeves to be able to compress or distract. So the way we start is at this end. There is a hole in here, and here we will screw this in. This gets screwed in until the hole is within that slot. We can then use the clip to then hold it. This then becomes totally stable. This has got two articulating arms. This sometimes also comes disengaged like this. The key to remember is black line to black line, and you can see that there is fine castellations that allow one to engage into the other to then hold the position. This is loosely placed. We then have this. Again, we have the fine castellations, which will match to this. Again, black line to black line, and then we put this guy on here, okay, and again loosely attach this one. When we come to this end, we put one nut here, and this slides over the top, and this one on this side is quite critical to stop it falling off. Again, we have the fine castellations of this. Again, black line to black line, and we can then put this. Now what this allows us to do is that we have rotational movement here and rotational movement here. This allows placement of half pins that we place through here into the bone in a variety of angles. At this end, we have a similar thing, but it has two arms, so that it allows us to have multiple degrees of freedom, so that again we can place a pin in here. We can then tighten everything so that it stays in place before affecting distraction. This is a very important part of the device. It's a Tommy bar, and with this we can actually tighten all of these areas so that they do not loosen. When a half pin is placed in here, this allows tightening, and then again the Tommy bar allows this to be tightened against the half pin. Once the half pins are placed into the two areas, we can use these wheels to compress or to distract. This one would use for compression, this one we use for distraction. Now, to be able to distract, also we can have really powerful mechanical ways of doing this. By using the Tommy bar and turning this wheel, you really can generate an enormous amount of force and an enormous amount of distraction.